Hello, hello! It's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I have a haul from Michael's that I'd like to share with you today. I am so excited to have some, fun new things to share for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. First of all, I'll show the wonderful paper pads that I got. I have two large paper pads, 12 by 12s. Okay, they're both from Recollections from Michael's. Okay, and you can find them at your Michael's store, local Michael's stores. They have them on like a, a special, probably they might be in a special section. I know when I went there, I was like confused at first where they were. I couldn't find them, but then I did find them, and so I'm so happy to be able to share them with you today. So here's some really cute little like stamps that can be cut out. You could use fussy cutting, scissors. I would also suggest if you have that like a brother's scan and cut, this might be a good idea to use with that. There are 3 pages per design, so that's cool. Here's like a background with some pretty red colors, some hearts, pinks and reds. I guess that's what's in this season. Lots of hearts are in. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm all discombobulated here. Wow, that's shiny. You can really see my light with that. But that's the very heavily foiled sheets. Some of these are foiled, not all of them. This one is foiled also. Pretty letters. The font is really nice looking with the love. Here's some acetate. So that's an acetate just with hearts. And then you have, okay, so there are 3 of those. And then there's 3 with the hearts and the like checker pattern. Checkered, I guess. Okay, some just basic lines. Stripes or whatever you want to call it. Some really pretty roses. Trying to go fast so I can get through all of these because it's quite a bit of stuff. You got your X and O type of thing with hearts. Here's some really nice foil. Glitter paper. The glitter paper is very smooth. It's not too rough, so it's not going to flake off. You got the bright red, and then you have like a holographic, which is nice. I mean, this holographic paper I think is worth the whole pad of paper. Oh, and that's the end of that. I got this for 40% off because it's on special right now at Michael's. So definitely try to check that out. See if you can find that. The next pad of paper is also Recollections. They're Valentine's Day. The other one they're both, I guess, called Valentine's Day. One's more of a foil. Well, I guess they both have foil and glitter. It's just a plain sheet of paper. Nothing too special, but pretty colors mixed together. Looking up the hearts. Here, again, these are 3. There's 3 sheets. Usually I'll take out a sheet, but I just got this, I just got these things from Michael this week, a couple days ago. Been really busy because my son's been home from college. We've been doing all kinds of things since his last week home from school. He's going back on Sunday. So trying to spend as much time with him as possible, but right now he's out bowling with his father. They went for guys' night out, which I was trying to get them to do it so I could have just some time to myself, and I wanted to get a video done and wasn't feeling that great, so I'm like, I'll take the time now. I know bows are very popular this season. I'm not really into them so much, but I've heard that they are pretty much all over the place. And so are cherries, I've heard, so there you go. So there's some holographic cherries there. That looks really cool to me. But yeah, I mean, these There's some acetate. These pages can be used in all kinds of different ways, and you make shaker windows out of the acetate, or just have it be like a tag, like a backing for cards. You got some more of the really nice glitter paper. Very, very pretty, this color. So that's, okay, so that's like a hot pink color. And then the last 3 pages are a like bubble gum, like really pretty, like almost cotton candy type of look to it. Very pretty glitter paper. So those are the 12 by 12 sheets from the Recollections. Their collection. And this is these 2 books here are the little 6 by 6 pads of paper. So this one is vellum, which I'll show you in a minute. This one is a regular paper pad. It's pretty much similar to the other ones I just showed, but much smaller, obviously. And there are 3 pages per design. Oh, and this is a vellum page. Very cool. The bows. XOXO. Here's some hearts. That's a really cool like page that can be used for making shaker cards, or shaker boxes, or whatever you want to use with that. Love, and like bubble print. That's cute. Bows, bows, bows. Again, I'm trying to skip over the pages so you don't have to see all of them, obviously. Sometimes it's a little harder than other times. I'm gonna zoom in a little more. Yep, see? Didn't need to show all those. Anyway, and there's some foiled hearts. Very pretty. Foiled stripes. Very nice. I like the pink. And here you got the pink again with the, it's just so beautiful. It's almost like a holographic type of glitter paper. I guess you can call it that. It's just really pretty. And there's the red color. Yeah, so that's the end of that sheet. That pad of paper. These are the vellum paper pads at Michael's. You get 2 sheets each in this 6 by 6 pad with 10 designs. So the first design is really pretty hearts. It's like XOXO type of thing. Here's you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a sheet like this on the paper so you can kind of see it better. So there's those stamps that in smaller size. You can see that okay. But these are like vellum sheets. You can tell they're kind of like plasticky. They're very thin and nice for all kinds of different projects. Again, I'm sorry I'm not able to do projects at this time. I'm mainly doing flip throughs and hauls because I'm just having a little trouble with my health, and not really, need to get into it too much, but I'm going to have to probably go for some more iron infusions. I keep becoming anemic. I'm not sure exactly why. My doctors are trying to figure it out, but it's been rough trying to figure it out over the last like 5 years. So, but I do have health issues that are causing some problems, so that's part of the whole thing. They're just not sure why I'm not able to stop having bleeding. But anyway, okay, so here we go. Here's another Recollections paper pad, and then I'll show you the sticker book quick. This one's unique because it's perforated. Okay, the reason it's shaped like this is because they make it so that you can cut out the heart. Okay, I'm not going to do it because it's hurting my hands just touching the paper. So I'm just going to show them, but if you can imagine, each page is cut out like a little heart like that, right? You can kind of see probably see the perforations on the screen. So each page, and there are three. So you can see on the back that you can really see the perforation there. They're kind of like sticking together because of the perforation, but it's okay. This is a unique pad of paper. I think it's really cool they came out with it, so you can make big cards. And you know, you can even make cards with these that are the shape of hearts. You could make all kinds of special, like, you know, projects with, you know, like with scrapbook, journaling, any of those things. So you're the cherry best is something that keeps coming up on a lot of the you know, a lot of the paper pads, and you'll see in a minute when I show the ephemera and the die cuts that I also got. So very cute little papers. Yeah, my hands are going numb when I'm just like anyway, it's a little hard to even like flip the papers, but so I'm hoping I'm still on the screen here. That's cute with the foiling, with the love and more foiling. There's some hearts. Yeah, so very cute. That's the Recollections paper pad that's in the shape of hearts. You can find these at any Michael's store. Okay, so this is the sticker book, which I'll go through pretty quick. Keep this short as possible, but of course it's going to go longer because it's a haul. Here are those really pretty foil, not foil, glitter hearts. Here's some cute pink and red colors that are so cute together. They do make it a pretty combination. I'm holding them up so that you won't get too much of a glare. Yeah, so I wasn't gonna do a Valentine's haul too soon, but then I'm like, you know what? Kind of got to do it because it's less than a month away now, and it's gonna come fast. People are starting to, you know, do their crafting now for the holiday, so I feel like I'm not even recovered from Christmas yet. We still have some Christmas, you know, stuff out and about, which I find that happens, right? You know, all through January I'm cleaning up. Anyway, here's some die cut stickers. This will finish up my haul from Recollections from Michael's. These are the things I chose that I picked out for my crafting because I just, you know, they look really fun to me to use. Of course, there's a lot more there a lot more you can get at Michael's. Excuse me for the noise for taking these apart, but I don't like take them out until I show the packaging. But yeah, there's, you know, a whole lot of different, they have all kinds of different ephemera and die cuts. So you got, I think, are these stickers? Yeah, right? Die cut stickers, right? So they have the backing comes off. So yeah, so you got the hearts, you got bigger things like envelopes, some words, some phrases, got toppers, Happy Valentine's Day. So these are great for, you know, cards and projects and kits and, you know, giving out to friends and family. I often make little Valentine kits for my nieces and nephews. I have a lot of little nieces, so that's fun because they love to get this type of stuff, and I love making it for them. And that's, you know, something to remember. This is supposed to be a fun hobby, fun projects that you get to do. Don't make it too stressful. Try to, you know, do things that are easy for you to do so that you'll continue doing it and enjoying it and getting the most out of it, because why else do such a hobby if you're not having fun with it? and I hope you do. So I'll see you soon. Bye.